Hello, everybody. This is some discussion for Thursday, March 12th. Classes do not resume until next week, so we don't have an official class until the 17th of March, but this is just a discussion just to get us going. Okay, so just some bookkeeping issues first. Until further notice, okay, all assignments should be turned into me by email at my email address, daniel.slilotti@wright.edu. Make a scan or take a picture of, so you can do your solutions electronically and email that to me. Or what you can do is just do them by hand as you often would. Make a scan or a picture of your handwritten solutions and email that to me by the due date. An Adobe Scan is a very nice free application that's available for making PDF scans like that. It's in the Google Play Store. It's also probably in the Apple Store. I couldn't imagine it's not. If you're having any trouble with that, get a hold of me if you have any issues, okay? But it's pretty self-explanatory and it works really well. As long as you have some decent lighting, you can just make a scan of your assignment and it'll put it in a PDF, all in one PDF file, and you can just email that to me. Okay, so this assignment for section 8.1, I initially said it would be due on the 19th, or the 12th, today, on Thursday, but instead that will be due on Tuesday, the 17th. So if you already handed it in to me, you can hand it in again if you want to double check it. And then, again, exam 1, problems 5 and 6, please redo those. And send that to me as an assignment, also due on Tuesday. And hand it in with a copy of the problems 5 and 6 from your exams. So I will correct those, take the difference in points, and I don't know, I'll give you partial credit for that on the first exam. So that way you have a little bit better score in your first exam, and I make sure that you understand that problem. Assignment for section 8.2 be due on Thursday next week. And 8.3 is due on Tuesday of the week after that, on the 24th. 4 problems from there. Extra problems for grad students are posted on the website. We will do oral exams on those problems in April. I'm hoping we'll be back by then. If we're not back by then, there will be, more discussion on that later. So we'll see. So some discussion problems from section 8.2 and 8.3. So I was supposed to do a video capture of me doing those discussion problems, but I went through it and I apologize. My hand slipped on the button and my recording stopped. So, I'm going through some growing pains just like we all are. But here are the solutions. We've got 8.2 number 4, 8.2 number 20, 8.315. 8.315 is like 8.3 number 15 is like 8.3 number 16. That's one of the homework problems to hand in from section 8.3. So you can take a look at that. 8.3 number 33. Okay. So 8.3 number 33 is all about the commutator subgroup of a group G. Okay, so the commutator subgroup is not all elements of this form in G. It's the subgroup generated by all elements of this form in G. And that's a special subgroup. With an abelian group or a commutative group, the commutator subgroup is just 1 when you have an abelian group. If you have a non-abelian group, then it's some non-trivial subgroup not of order 1. Sometimes it's the whole group. So like for the symmetric group Sn prime is actually Sn itself. But sometimes it's something in between. All right, so we talked about the commutator subgroup, and then more generally, okay, G mod n is a commutative group if and only if the commutator subgroup is contained in n. Try proving this on your own. So in number 33, we talked about the commutator subgroup and proved that G mod the commutator subgroup is commutative. Okay, so for a non-commutative group G mod G prime is commutative. And actually, whenever G mod N is commutative, it means that N contains G prime. So give this one a try on your own. Maybe that'll be an exam problem. Okay, so it's not a hard proof. So we did that, and we did number 34 here. Okay. So this will be posted on the website, and the lecture notes for 8.3. Sorry. Yeah, these PDF notes are posted on the website, as are the lecture notes from section 8.3. And I also did a video of me discussing the lecture on section 8.3. And during normal class times, I will be available on Blackboard and Pilot, and we can talk using that. So more instructions in further emails, okay? Alrighty, so that's all for now, and I will talk to you later.